In this tutorial, you'll learn how to use BrightAuthor Connected to upload content to bsn.cloud and manage your content library. You can upload images, video, and audio, as well as BrightSign dynamic playlists and HTML pages to your content library. Let's get started. First, launch BrightAuthor Connected. If you don't have a paid bsn.cloud subscription, or you are not signed into bsn.cloud, you'll notice that the Manage Content button and Content tabs are grayed out. In this case, skip to the New Presentation tutorial to see how to add locally stored content to your presentations. If you are a paid subscriber, sign into your bsn.cloud account. Click on the Manage Content button in the dashboard or use the navigation bar to open the Content section of the app. As a bsn.cloud subscriber using BrightAuthor Connected, you can build a presentation from content you uploaded to bsn.cloud or from assets stored locally on your computer. But be aware that local and remote assets can't be used in the same presentation. If you plan to work from locally stored files, switch to local content mode. Likewise, if you plan to host presentations and content remotely with your bsn.cloud subscription, switch to bsn.cloud content mode. On the left is your Content Library Explorer. Select a folder that corresponds to your media type or make a new folder with your own descriptive title. Then press the Create button. You can add media by pressing the Upload New Media button in the Content tab. Press the Choose Files button and select the files from your computer you would like to upload. You can preview your content and make sure it's pointing to the right folder. Then press the orange Upload Content button. You will see a progress bar at the top of your screen. Select Transfer Info to check on the progress of your upload. Once your upload is complete, your remotely stored media will appear in the folder. Notice that you can navigate to the other tabs while your media is uploading. This can be helpful if you want to work on your presentation while content is uploading in the background. Thanks for watching this tutorial on media management. Keep watching to learn how to build a presentation.